beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The garden was filled with beautiful flowers of various colors. Because she didn't go to the party because she was feeling unwell. Become With hard work and dedication, he managed to become a skilled artist. Bed, bed, bed. After a long day, all he wanted to do was lie down on his comfortable bed. Before Please finish your homework before going out to play.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Begin. Let's begin the meeting with a brief introduction. Behind. The cat was hiding behind the curtains. Best. She received the award for the best performance in the competition. Better. With practice, you can become a better player in any sport.